Hola amigos! Today, I'm going to show you my family recipe of just simple fried chicken. To get started, we're going to need our ingredients. For this, you will need flour, eggs, buttermilk, garlic salt, white pepper, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, cayenne, and cooking oil. And of course, fresh chicken thighs from Rhode Island Red. And now we prep our poultry. Break down your chicken thighs into manageable chunks, then set it aside. Take a large bowl and fill it with buttermilk, but remember to leave room for the chicken. Now we can season our marinade with all our herbs and our spices. Once they have been added, mix. Now add the chicken. Cover with saran wrap and place in the fridge to marinate overnight. After a long marinade, our chicken is ready to batter and fry. To make life easy for ourselves, we will be using some Tupperware to batter our chicken and to begin preheating our oil. This is a lot of oil. It will take time for it to reach our desired 375 degrees. For the batter, add 2 cups of flour and all the same seasonings we use for our marinade to the container. Take 2 eggs and beat in a separate bowl. And now we bread. With your washed hands, take a piece of chicken from the marinade, dip it in the egg, and place it in the Tupperware. Once the Tupperware is full, we seal, then we shake to goodness. Once battered, place the chicken on a baking sheet. By now, our oil should be close to a ripping 375 degrees, ready to receive our batter. Now carefully lower the chicken onto the oil and fry until a crisp golden brown on an internal temp of 165 degrees. With your chicken ready, transfer it to the plate and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before eating.